What have I done today, Richard? Well, Richard, we unboxed the fuel tank for the Mustang. And I scraped off all the foam off the old tank. New fuel pump. I got to transfer everything off the old tank, put it on the new tank. These here came out of the old tank. This one here is discontinued, and they recommended cutting the tank open to get the old tank open to get that out, because if you break it, you can't get the part, and it's not available aftermarket. It's all that evap